Welcome to Mama's Plant-Based Kitchen. I'm going to show you how to do a brownie mix that I saw somebody else do on YouTube, and I'm going to try it. It's my first time, I think, ever making brownies without flour or oatmeal flour or yeah, so she called it gluten-free, sugar-free, vegan brownies. So let's get started. Before we get started, I wanted to show you this shirt that my friend made me for Christmas. Isn't that pretty? I love the color too. Mama's Plant-Based Kitchen. And then I already showed you my apron that another friend made me last Christmas. Boy, it's wonderful to have friends. So thank you, Melinda and Linda, for making my shirt and my apron. First of all, you're going to want to have a half a cup of applesauce, unsweetened applesauce. And then I have almost a cup of peanut butter, and I put some flaxseed meal in it to thicken it. And so I almost got a cup full, but you want a cup of peanut butter or almond butter or nut butter of your choice. A half a cup of cocoa. A teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking soda. And then for the sweetener, I'm going to use some stevia. And then you just mix it up. You preheat your oven to 350. And after you get this all mixed up, blended up, you want to take and put it in your prepared pan. I prepared my pan with parchment paper, but if you wanted to use a little bit of cooking spray or whatever you use in your cookware. But whenever you take and use applesauce, you never want to over stir it. All right. It's looking good, y'all. I've never done this without flour, or, like I said, or oat flour or some kind of flour. I just always thought that you had to have that to make brownies. But I was proven wrong today because I watched her make them. And then, of course, if you wanted to, you could add some walnuts on top, or morsels, but I'm just going to make them like she did. Spread it out here. Okay, so now I'm going to make another brownie that I'm used to making. And I started out with a cup of quick oats, and then 1 flaxseed egg, and that's 1 tablespoon to 3 parts water for your egg. And then I put a little bit more water in it because I want like a half a cup of water in this. So, I hope you had a wonderful Christmas. It seemed like it came a little slow, but then it just snuck up on me and then it was gone. Isn't that the way it is? My daughter said the day before Christmas, she said, just think, tomorrow we'll be saying 364 more days to Christmas. I'm like, yeah, you're right about that. And then I have 2 tablespoons of cocoa and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And then I'll put a little bit of stevia in it. Now you can use 1/4 cup of maple syrup if you want, or sweetener of your choice, but I like stevia. It don't add calories, and it Makes everything nice and sweet. And there's the batter. Now this is the kind of batter I'm kind of used to. It's more moist, but we're gonna see what hers turn out to be like. In about 25 minutes, we'll come back and we'll get them out of the oven and we'll show you what they look like. All right, see you then. Okay, so I just got them out of the oven, and this one is the one I made with oatmeal that I am quite used to making. And this one is just made without flour, oatmeal. I kind of like this one better, but I guess it's in the taste, y'all. So I'm gonna get a little plate for Bree. And Bree's going to be my taste tester. It's okay, she likes to do this.
Yeah, it's a little bitter. This one's not very sweet.
Mm.
But that could be because of this one.
Well, with your brownies, if they're not sweet enough, you can add some jelly or some frosting on top or something like that. But anyway, we were just doing a test of my brownies versus the gluten-free, sugar-free brownies in my brownies. So just have fun in the kitchen sometime and just make them up yourself, and I'll see you on my next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.